Hello, everybody, and welcome to Microeconomics. I will be your instructor for this summer 2025 semester. My name is Javier Black, and this is an introduction video welcoming everybody into the beginning of week one of the course, and just to get a feel format-wise in terms of how everything is set up here within Canvas for the course. So this is the introduction video. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to walk everybody through in terms of how to get started for this course. So as you are looking at the layout here of Canvas, first thing that you want to do here is you want to go to the syllabus and just view the syllabus. There are some important blurbs to remember within the actual syllabus, so everybody view it in full detail. And if you have any questions, feel free definitely to reach out to me. If you have any questions in terms of what's blurbed in the syllabus, and then also expectations in terms of what's expected of you. Now, briefly within the syllabus, I want to mention this is that there is a layout of the 8 weeks in terms of the main assignments that are going to be due at the end of every week. So the formative assessments that are going to be due at the end of every week, I definitely have those summarized within the syllabus, along with the summative assessment, which will happen to be a final exam that you would take for the course, and that would be week 8, which would conclude the course that we're looking at August the 1st in terms of when this course will end. So take a look in terms of the syllabus. Also, announcements. I will make random announcements, of course, throughout the course of every week. What you can expect in terms of every new week, of opening up every new week as we conclude a week. I'm looking at Fridays. So, for example, as this is being made available to you right now, which is Friday, June the 6th, you can expect week 2 to open up and be made available for you. That would be Friday, June the 13th. So look out for the new weeks in terms of the course where you can view it, where you can go in and begin to navigate it, where you can complete the activities and then start working on the assignments. That will be due Friday of every week. So make sure you scroll down here. Some important things to remember. As it's been made available to you, the textbook, there's no need to purchase it. A PDF has been made available for you, so all you have to do is click on this link, and then you'll be able to access the textbook for the course, and the textbook is required. Yes, it is, as there are assignments, that are originating from the textbook itself. So definitely you want to look at this PDF. This is the actual textbook. There is no need for you to actually purchase a textbook for this course as it's been made available. One thing to remember is that you're going to have a combination of assignments and activities that are combined with McGraw-Hill Connect as well as Canvas. And I will clarify that in the next video that I'm going to do that you'll find in week 1. And that video should be posted before the weekend is over. And it may be 2 videos, as a matter of fact, that I may happen to do that you'll find within the week 1 activities. There's some things that I kind of want to go into detail in terms of what's expected of you and in terms of what you're going to have to complete. So make sure you click on this, all right, to really get an understanding of McGraw-Hill Connect and get an understanding of how to sign up for it. So this is the main part right here. What you would do is start here and make sure, of course, you view my page. It just kind of gives you a background of where I've come from and in terms of what my past accomplishments have been, and also how long I've been at Waukesha County Tech. As a matter of fact, this happens to be, I wrapped up a year. That was back last May. So I've been part of the faculty and staff for the last year at Waukesha County Technical College, but I have been teaching in higher ed for the last 11 years. Make sure, of course, everyone, that you just view the syllabus again. I have to go back. Make sure you look at the blurbs and the details. And, of course, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me in regards to that. One of the things that you definitely want to do, and you see that there's due dates that are set up for every assignment. For the Start Here category, what you want to do is you want to complete the introduction quiz, and then let me also reiterate again that you would definitely need to sign up for McGraw-Hill Connect in order to complete the assignments and the activities that have been created and put together for the course. The week 1 stuff I'm not going to go into regarding the introduction video. However, though, part of the pre-assessment of Module 1 is that I want everyone to do an introduction video of yourself. Tell me a little bit about yourself. Tell me what year this happens to be. It could be your first semester. You could be towards completion within the program. Tell me a little bit more about yourself, and you will find that in Module 1 pre-assessments. And what I'm going to do definitely is I will put together a week 1 introduction video that you will find towards the, before the weekend happens to conclude. And another thing with the pre-assessment, as you look further into it, and I will go back over this again in the next video, it will show you how to sign up for McGraw-Hill Connect. Again, there's going to be 2 learning management systems that you're going to be using. You're going to be using Canvas. Canvas is the main learning management system, but you will also be using McGraw-Hill Connect, as there will be courses, not courses, but activities and assignments that are due. And it'll be very simple. Everything is put together for you. I create everything. All you have to do is click on all the activities and assignments have been launched in McGraw-Hill Connect. Okay, everybody. So, welcome everyone. Whenever you may be viewing this video, it may be today, Friday, June the 6th. It may be tomorrow, Saturday, June the 7th. It may be Sunday, June the 8th. We're going to have fun. We're going to have fun in this course. And it's the material itself when we look at microeconomics. Okay, we're not studying global economics, but we're looking at some economic factors of production pertaining to our country's economic structure. And then also the study is of micro. And here's a foundation I'm going to give you all, is how does economics apply to you? For example, how does the unemployment rate apply to you? How does inflation apply to you? We're not going to get into GDP, gross domestic product. That is a macroeconomic factor. But think about it. Think about, okay, how spending. Think about how saving. Think about these things. How does it impact you as an individual? And that's really the study and the foundation of micro, and of course various industries pertaining to the factors of production here within the country that is also referenced towards micro. Okay, everybody, once again, this is your instructor, Javier Black, and I definitely will be following up with another video that you will find within the week 1 content. This is the introduction video, and I will be talking to everyone very soon. Oh, one more thing here before I conclude, and I'm going to talk about this right now, the messaging system. You will find in the left-hand corner here inbox. If you want to communicate and get a message over to me, don't send it directly out on your student email, but because the inbox is already connected, we call this the messaging system to the course. When I log in, and I do randomly log in throughout the course of the days of every week to see if there are any messages, and I do reply within the 24-hour period for students that may have concerns or needs. Click on this and you can send me a message, and again within the same day, well, within 24 hours, I do normally respond. Okay, everybody, just get a feel for what's been made available for you within this course, within Canvas, and I will definitely be talking to you all for the week 1 video, which will be before the weekend ends. Okay, everyone, take care and enjoy your Friday.